Good afternoon, dear students. Hope all are doing fine. So, as we have completed our lesson, let us come along with the question answers. So, first I will read the question in front of you. You can easily note down the questions and then we will go with the individual answers of the question. So, first I will show you all the questions all together and then all the answers all together. Please note down the numbers properly. So the first question is, before street lamps were introduced, what did people do on cloudless, moonlit nights? Why did they need to wait for these weather conditions? So the first question is, before the street lamps were introduced, what did the people do on cloudless, moonlit night? That is a night when moon was full. So we know, I will give you the answers later on. Note down the second questions. Before street lamps were introduced, what were the dangers that people faced if they went out at night? Third question, who were link boys and what did they do? Fourth one, what did the work of a lamp lighter involve? Fifth one, roughly how many gas lamps are there in London today? Sixth one, how many people are employed to light the lamps today? G, what were some of the unpleasant aspects of early oil lamp? Unpleasant means which is not favor, which is not good. That is unpleasant. H1, what were dangers about the gas lamps that were introduced in 1800? I, what powers modern street lamps? So these are the question, people. J and K I will give you later on because those answers are a little big. So first let us go with these answers. I have given the questions. Note down the questions and then we will go with the answers. I hope all have noted down the questions. So please let us see the first answer. Before street lamps were introduced, people would take advantage of the moonlight on cloudless night and go out to meet each other. So when there was full moon, people would go out to meet each other. If the moon was hidden by clouds or if the moon was not full, there would be no light. It would be dark because there were no street lamps. So they only go out during the moonlit night, and during the dark night the streets were dark, so it was not possible for them to go out. Now the second answer. Before street lamps were introduced, the dangers that people faced if they went out at night were that they could trip and injure themselves or drown if they fell into river or be attacked or robbed. So we already know they could trip, or if suppose a stone is there on the road, they could fall in against that and they could injure or hurt themselves. And if they fell in the river, they will definitely drown, or because of the night or the darkness, any thief or robber could attack and robbed them. The third answer, who were the link boys? The answer is the link boys were young men who would for a small fee hold a burning torch or lamp ahead of people so that they could see the way through the dark street. So link boys were young people who will take little money from the people, rich people, and will carry the torch and lamp ahead of them. Some link boys were dishonest. They would rob the person who hired them. But some of the link boys were dishonest or disloyal, so they would rob the person who had hired them. The fourth answer, the work of lamp lighter involved putting up a lamp outside the house of their employer and make sure it was lit whole through the night. So before the street lamps were introduced, people, so lamplighter, what their work was to light a lamp in front outside the house of the person who had hired them and to see that the lamp is burning whole night. Once street lamps were introduced, the lamplighter had to keep the lights clean, make sure the wicks were trimmed, light tens of lamps in the evening and put them all out again in the morning. So, but when the street lamps were introduced, these were the works of the lamplighter. They have to clean, they have to see whether oil is there or not. They have to trim the wicks properly. Trimming means make it in a proper shape. When suppose your hairs are big, so what you are doing? You are trimming your hairs. So that is trimming. Make it into a proper length. And then what? Every lamplighter were having 10 lamps under them. So they need to light 10 lights every evening, and in the morning they have to put it out again. Even in London today, there are roughly 1500 gas lamps. So today, even if we go to London, we will see 1500 gas lamps are there. We have already discussed to remember the history of past. Sixth, 5 people are employed to light these lamps today. So to light up these 1500 lamps, 5 people are employed today. Some of the unpleasant aspect of early oil lamps were the oil in them had an unpleasant smell, proper trimming of wicks, changing of oils. It requires lot of energy. So unpleasant means, as I told you, which is not good. So which is not favorable. So unpleasant aspect, first oil which they were putting, they were giving off bad smell. And again they have to trim the wicks every now and then again changing of the oil. If the oil becomes too sticky and the oil is not there in the if the oils are not there in the lamp, they have to change it. So for it requires a lot of energy. H1, the dangerous thing about the gas lamps was that every now and then one would blow up. So the gas lamps were having some defects also. What was the unpleasant aspect? Every now and then one would blow up. Blow up means burst. Ninth one, or I1, modern street lamps are powered by electricity and solar power. So we know in modern street lamps you can see the lamp are lit by electricity, and now we can even see some of the light which are having energy from the solar power. So people, please note down every answer, and if any word or anything you cannot understand, please let me know in the comment section. Be safe, be happy. Thank you.